Hey y'all, welcome back to It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is Sunday morning, it's about 5:30, and I have the air conditioner on and the two fans. Try to cool this down a little bit. I'm going to work fast, you know, because we are going through the heat wave right now. So I'm going to try to knock out at least these two stands today. All of this is what my focus is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I apologize for the last video that it was a double segment in that video. I was rushing to try to get it uploaded, but nevertheless, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. So make sure to tune in, you know, every Friday for my garage decluttering. Now we are about to move in over here on this one. And that shelf is really packed and jammed in here. So hopefully we'll find some good stuff, and I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back, taking a break. Almost done with this stand, but I just wanted to come on and interrupt real quick. I knew y'all was enjoying that. I found some lovely stuff that I've been looking for, but I just wanted to show you how many bags that I did accomplish today. So it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags that I got empty today, and you know these do not get thrown away. These are from the Fabulous Dollar Tree, and right now you could not find these. So these will be reused and reused and reused, and I'm telling you, I had a lot of heavy stuff. It was easier for me to pack my things in these bags. how long that, but this is what this is looking like so far. We find some good stuff in just this little section. And I really was looking for my letter R, so I can put that on my fabulous desk in my office. So I'm glad I found that. But I'm just going to sit it up here for right now so it does not get lost in the shuffle. I'm just going to go up real quick. Let's put my cakes up there. I don't want to get them too smashed. And then on this row here, I decided just to keep things that were bagged up, like my little floral arrangements. I'm going to have some dishes here. All that at the bottom I am not going to go through, because that is my fake foods products that I make, and So Fabulous Bath Essentials. Alright y'all, so this is what it looking like. I just got a little trash down here. I got to get my dustpan. But I did a lot of work in here today. I had to go lay down and take a nap because it got really, really hot in here. But look, yes, it is coming along. I am super proud that I stayed in here and I pushed through. It was a total of about 6 hours in here today. Just working, staying focused, not thinking about anything extra that I needed to do, just focusing on one stand at a time. Now this is stacked right here. It has like my luggage, my briefcase, little odds and ends that I don't have a stand for, and I cannot put it back there right now. So I'm just gonna stick that there, my bread machine. And we're gonna move over to this stand. This is the first one that you saw in the video. And let me move this out of the way. Yeah, so we're gonna move over here to this one. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I found my picture and my letter R, as you can see. So not completely organized, but it is where I can actually come out now, and if I need something real quick, I can pull it. I kind of know what's, you know, when you put your stuff away, you know where your stuff is at. And then there's the other stand. So we worked today, well, I worked today in this garage. Yes. And this little air, I tell you, it saved me. Of course, it didn't cool the whole garage, but sitting right up under it, it really worked. And then, you know, my fans. So I didn't get a chance to get over there. It was just too much to try to work on that. But next week, hopefully I will be able to do this stand. And I'm not saying all of this. Probably got about 3 more videos, y'all. So just bear with me. Because the rate that I'm going, I believe I can knock off from where you see that styrofoam bowl at, coming down. That is my goal. From here, going straight up the middle to that styrofoam bowl. All of that plus the stand next video. And then the following week, we are going to tackle from the red sleigh, most likely over to the beach ball, because there is a lot. There's a lot underneath of there. I have all my pink totes that I have to go through, so that's going to be the second to last, and then this will be the finale. So yeah, just bear with me. I am trying to move as fast as I can in between getting teeth pulled, and overall I really haven't came out here and put anything else on it. I have not jacked it up. And then here is the one that we originally started on, and I have not touched anything. I've just been adding to the pile of my linens up there, which have to go in the house and get washed and ironed. So let's do a tour real quick. And so y'all got about 3 more videos. We're gonna be really focusing on the last 3 videos, like I said, in the mill. And pan around again. Those 2 stands are done. So I thank y'all all for watching. Leave me a lovely comment. Let me know if you think you see any progress from the last video to this one. And I would appreciate and let me know how you organize your garage, your YouTube items. And if you would like to collaborate with me on the last 3 videos of getting an area in your house that is just full of clutter, hit me up on Messenger, you know, on my Facebook. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And let me know. I'll talk to y'all later, and y'all have a blessed Sunday.